Hi guys, welcome back to Renpet Bath Beauty's Soap Kitchen. I am in such a great mood, so I apologize if I act like a dork, but I'm really excited about this soap. This soap is inspired by one of my favorite band's songs. It is inspired by Duran Duran's Notorious. Now, if you know the song, try not to sing that all day. This is our raw recipe, and in my oils and whatnot in the bucket, I have heavy cream, I have honey, because as I've said before, we're working on getting soaps ready for the honey festival. And we're doing quite a few of men's soaps. We're replacing some that didn't sell last year, but we want to be able to have a good array of men's soaps to be able to offer at the honey festival. What is there? Heavy cream and honey. Okay. And in my lye water, there is sodium hydroxide. Oh, I got salt stuck on the bottom here. I got distilled water, sodium hydroxide, and salt. Let me put this in there. And as always, we're going to get this to just about emulsification, and we're going to add the yogurt. All right, let's do this, Simon. All right, let's add our yogurt. Oh, the fragrance we're using is a newer one that I bought from Nature's Garden. It is called Straight Up Savage, and it smells really familiar to me. I don't know if it's a dupe. I'm going to have to go on their website and check again. It's fantastic. It fit the song perfectly. This is one of those songs that I've wanted to be able to do a soap for, but we couldn't find a fragrance. Okay. Let's get the yogurt blended in, and then we'll go over the colors. Alrighty then. Okay, so I am modeling this soap after the album the album cover for Notorious, and I'll put a picture in so you guys can see it. It's a monochrome, nice, beautiful black and white picture, but I'm going to be putting a red swirl in there as well. Why? Because I can. So the colors we are using, the main batter is going to be gray 50 shades. We are using titanium dioxide, really red, sterling silver, and activated charcoal. So let me get Simon out of the way. Okay, so I can bring these in here. Because I don't need a whole lot of the white or the red, but I do need sterling silver and some activated charcoal. And, well, let me get just a little bit more of that. I know that made a big difference, didn't it, you guys? A little bit of red and a little bit of white. Now, both the white and the red are going to have to be blended with my frother because they are both pigments. Okay. Oh, my washcloth actually is wet. Okay, get this down and get my gray 50 shades in there. I think this is gonna look really neat if it turns out the way that I want it to. I'm gonna leave that out just in case. Oh, I put Simon on the counter. What is wrong with you, Zulin? Now I might lighten up the sterling silver too with a little. I have a teeny bit of TD right here too. So, all right, let's go. Yeah, that needs to be a little bit darker, a little bit more pigmented. I know that's going to make a big difference too. I'm going to have to order some more gray 50 shades. This is like all I have left, and it's like not very much, guys. Okay. Alrighty then. Now I have not worked with this fragrance, and I forgot to check on the website to see if it discolored. So I am definitely not putting it in my white, just in case. And I am also leaving Simon out because I don't know if it rices. Like I said, I bought it a while back. It was on their, like, you know, the new stuff page that they have at Nature's Garden's website. So I'll get my batter down in there. That would be helpful. All right. I'm going to stir my black and my sterling silver first. Yeah, you guys couldn't see me. I know that red bucket is in the way, isn't it? All right. I think this is the first monochrome soap that I have done, like, ever. I think it's going to look super sweet. Oh yeah, I don't think I'm going to have to put TD in this sterling silver. You know, it's kind of funny. The 50 shades, which is the darker gray, and the sterling silver look almost exactly the same in the jar, but once you get it, you know, mixed into your batter, this is so much lighter, which, oh, I don't know why I did that. Watch. What are you doing, Sulin? Okay, here's my white. New batteries. That's sort of a creamy. Well, I'm going to have to make sure I put that other TD in something I can seal, because right now it's just in a paper cup. Okay, here we go with the really red. Ooh, turn it off before you take it out of there. Woo-wee. Okay. Alright, let's put the fragrance. Well, I guess we'll start with this. Let's put a little bit in there, a little bit in there, a little bit in there, and then the rest of it in the big one. Oh, it doesn't look like it's racing on the surface of the soap, so that's a good sign. Let's see. And let's hope we don't speed up Trace either. Oh, we're not, and it's not racing. Fantastic! I love Nature's Garden. I'm not saying that Crafter's Choice Fragrance or Virginia Candle Company or, you know, any of those fragrances aren't good, but Nature's Garden really is fantastic. I have never had a fragrance from there separate. I have never had a fragrance from there like totally seize, which is, you know, good. Because other places I have gotten fragrances that, and both of those things have happened. As a matter of fact, Bulk Apothecary, they have a fragrance called Mountain Rain, and I still use that fragrance even though it separates, but I know how to work with it now. I've figured that out over my years of soaping. It's just too perfect of a fragrance to use for the song Here Comes the Rain Again. Okay, let's bring y'all in closer. Let's try not to do it too fast. Okay, so we're going to start with our gray. Okay, I want to put some white in there next. Oh, it is speeding up a little bit, guys. So let's do this quickly. Woo! I'm falling. Some of the black. Oh, it was just the white that was speeding up. Oh, this fragrance smells amazing. Some of the sterling silver. I'll do some more of the gray. Oh, 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 oh! I just spilled titanium dioxide all over my counter. That's alright. Okay, now I'm going to drop this red in from up high. Most of it, anyway. Can you guys still see? Oh, that's crooked, isn't it? Okay. Let me put most of the white in there. Pay attention to what you're doing, Sulin. Let's do the black again. And I'm going to put all of the black in there. I don't need any black for the top. Jeez, I need some paper towel. Can you see that encroaching upon my mold? Whoop! Ah! Oh my goodness. Okay. Some sterling silver in there. And then the rest of my 50 Shades. So this is a pretty good fragrance, guys. It's only speeding up just a little bit, which is really good. And I am not swirling this at all. I'm just going to leave it a drop swirl. Make my life extremely easy. Okay. I need my washcloth. I've spilled it everywhere now. And I need to clean up this titanium dioxide. That I'm just going to put that cup in. At least there was only just a little bit in there. Okay. I'm going to bang this. I'm going to pull this back. This mold is one of my newer ones, and that edge pulls away from the box. It happens sometimes with these purple molds. Whatever. Okay, it's still too liquidy to do the top, so we'll have to come back in a few. I'm going to try to get some dishes done, so I'll see you then. Okay. We are back with the top of Notorious. Oh, sorry. Like I said, I'm in a really good mood, and we are going to make a complete and utter Pollock mess on this top of this soap. Okay, and then I want a little bit of gray, which the gray isn't really, I guess I should have done this gray first because it's not really going to matter. Look at me making a big old mess. It's my favorite way to soap, guys. And our red. Aha. Look at all that soap going everywhere. All right. All right, let me clean this up just a little bit, and I'm gonna bang it. I don't want to bang it with all that soap on the counter. Hope I didn't move that out of your way too bad. Okay, I'm gonna bang it. Okay. Let me clean off the sides here. Woo. And again, this did that little thing that it does. So, with the top of this, we are going to also, now let's do this one with a scare. We're going to go back and forth. No, that's not going to work. We're going to have to swirl it. Swirl this one too. It's going to muddy it up just a little bit, but that's alright. There we go. Well, I'm going to have to use my potato peeler on that bad boy. Okay, let me spray it with some alcohol. And we will be back in 18 to 24 hours to count. Oh my goodness. To cut this beautiful baby. I'll see you then. Okay, guys. We are back to cut Notorious. I won't sing it to you this time. How's that? Oh my goodness. I have got to tell you guys the most incredible thing. That is just the most ridiculous thing, because, you know, I'm having this problem, you know, with my upper respiratory tract. Today is April 19th, and it was 70 degrees. On Thursday, we are expecting 1 to 3 inches of snow, y'all. I am not kidding. It's like ridiculous. Oh, I really like that. Although I don't... Oh, okay. Forget it. I see it now. I was just going to say, I didn't see any red in that. It was on the other side. Sulin, pay attention. This smells brilliant, you guys. This came through saponification beautifully. Oh, this is a really good one. I have a feeling this is going to sell pretty well. It's just one of those great, like, manly smells. I like it too. It's got enough of exactly what I was looking for with the album cover. And, you know, it's been a few days. I made these soaps. I mean, I can't speak English. I made these soaps on Thursday, and then I had my grandkids this weekend. So I'm, you know, cutting it on a Monday. And I don't remember if I told you if I was going to insert the album cover. So if I didn't already, I'll do it here while we're cutting it. And like I said, granted there's no red on the album cover. I just threw that in there for, you know, it's a totally monochrome. Ooh, excuse me. Oh, maybe the writing is red, if I remember correctly. It's been a while since I've looked at it. I listen to the album still all the time. It's one of my favorite Duran Duran albums. So, wow, this really did come through the cure beautifully, guys. I do have a little bit of soda ash on the top. See, just a little bit. But, you know, quick steam. 2, 4, 6, 7. Quick steam and all that will come off. I really need to just start covering my soaps, because apparently my dehumidifier is not doing its job at all. At all. So wow, I really do like it. I gotta move my hand. Sorry guys if I was creating shadow. I love how the black is just so wispy in there. That's beautiful. So I should be able to get an end piece off of here. I should be able to. I don't know if I want, well, yeah. Oh, it's gonna cut wrong. Let's not cut it wrong, Sulin. There we go. There we go. Alrighty, guys. As always, thanks for stopping by. I very much appreciate your company each and every week, and I will see you guys next week. Bye-bye.